Okay, so this is just a quick little video on how we find that Z-star number, which is a Z-score, based on what level of confidence we want. So this is our critical value when we're finding a confidence interval. So if we have if we wanted a, like, I don't know, 92% confidence level. So that means we're dealing with the middle 92% of our data. So what we want is we want this tail probability, like what's in there. So 92%, 100 minus 92 is 8%, so there's 8% left for both ends. And this part right here is 0.04. So we're looking for what Z-score right here would give us that 0.04 tail probability up here. So we talked about, if you're looking at the Z table, or if you even do your calculator Z inverse normal, it's automatically going to give you probability less than. So if we want to know what this actual Z-score is, we need to be looking at 0.96 on our table. So I'm going to show you the table first, and then I'm going to show you how to do it in your calculator. So on the table, I'm looking for 0.9, what did we say? I have a bad memory. 0.96 is what we're going to look for, because that is the probability that would be under. So I'm going to look through my list here, and I'm going to look for as close as I can get to 0.96, which is in this area right here. It's really close to that one, a little bit close to that one as well. So if I just kind of look up and see where that is, that is giving me 1.75 or so. It's a little bit above that, but we could use 1.75 pretty well. So that is the Z-score that matches that. So that is our Z-star for this level. So that's how I can find it from the table. I could also use the calculator to find that number. Again, we're still kind of doing the whole, we're dealing with the middle 92%, so what's left over on the outsides, and this up here is 0.04, and we look up 0.96. So what I'm going to do on my calculator is I'm going to hit the second button and then the VARS button, and then I want this third option, inverse normal. That's when you have a probability and you're finding a Z-score. So I'm going to pick number 3, and then I'm just going to put the area that I want, which is 0.96, which is 1.75. Okay, and that's how we find that number if we don't know it. Technically, I always tell people, if you put in 0.04, if you forget the whole less than greater than thing, just as a quick little tip, if you put 0.04, or if you look up 0.04 on your Z table, it's going to give you the same value, just negative. So just keep in mind that your Z-star is always going to be a positive number. So if you just put that 0.04 in there, and that just keeps you from having to do one extra step of subtracting from 1, it'll still give you the right number. It's just going to be negative. So you just need to know to take away the negative, and that is it.